Dairy farm planning and designing is an important step for starting a successful milk business. First, choose a clean and open location with easy road access and fresh water availability. The farm layout should include cow sheds, calf areas, feed storage, a milking section, and a proper waste management system. Cow sheds must have good ventilation, drainage, and comfortable resting space. Selecting high-yield dairy breeds such as Holstein, Friesian, Jersey, or Sahiwal helps increase milk production. A balanced feeding, green fodder, dry feed, concentrates, and clean water is essential for healthy cows. Milking can be done manually for small farms or with machines for commercial farms to maintain hygiene. Proper waste management keeps the farm clean and allows manure to be used as fertilizer or biogas. With good management, trained labor, and proper milk storage and transportation, a dairy farm can generate stable daily income and long-term profit.